Wicked questions are a great way to spruce up your retros. Wicked question is a concept from Liberating Structures. So the way you do that, you find a question to pose to the team that is controversial, probably conflicting two ideas that the team has been struggling with, and you pose it to the team. Now, true to Liberating Structures, what we do is we pose a question, let the team members think about that wicked question for 2-3 minutes and write down their thoughts. Then Zoom or whatever tool you're using for the remote retro, you do breakouts. First do breakouts of pairs. That's really powerful for people to share their thoughts. Then have everybody come back in, then do another breakout. If it's like a 12 or a 10 or 80-person team, another breakout of groups of 4, have them work through the wicked question and what are possible solutions to work around that wicked question. Again, everybody coming back together, you're like 25 or 20 minutes in, and now have everybody share the wicked question ideas, responses, get some thoughts about what could be a resolution to the wicked question, and then all that's left is really to come up with 2, 3, or even one item you're going to experiment with to work through the wicked question in your next sprint or next 2-week increment. Wicked questioners are they're an awesome a liberating structure concept. I'll give some ideas for liberating structures in my next video, but for now, think about your wicked retro remote using a very powerful wicked question. Thank you. See you all next time.